I have here to show you this Etrusco van. Etrusco is a brand of the Hymer group, but it's a bit cheaper solutions. This thing here is going to cost 61,000 euros, 541 centimeter long van. So it's a tiny van, it's a small van. You don't get much smaller than this. And I've got to say, from the outside, this van looks like a delivery van. So it does offer a what do you call it? Hiding camping, camouflage camping. I've forgotten the word. It'll come back to me as soon as I finish. When you're in town, you don't want people to know that you're in the vehicle, right? So so it's a very basic van, okay? But at the same time, it looks it's quite reasonable, I think, inside. So you've got a big window there. You've got two windows at the back. Storage all the way around. In fact, the only place I'd have to say we could have put even more storages along the back. So this is quite good. Hey, do you want to have a look in here? Let's have a look at what's up there. And here we've got two burners. We've got a sink. We have got storage under the kitchen block. And we've got some steps up into bed. These are steps. You put your foot in there. You take your shoes off first, by the way. In fact, I take my shoes off in my van. I don't walk. Right, here, got the shower. I'll move this curtain to one side so we can have a better look at it. The sink, very nice. Large sink. It's not getting in your way, I don't think, too much. But it is sort of allowing more space on the shower tray below. Plenty of room around the toilet. Bear in mind, this vehicle is only 541 centimeters long. These things here, these shower, they just stick to you, and I think they're horrible. I'd have it taken out completely. I wouldn't use it. There may be a reason for using it. I can't see the point. Maybe because people don't want to get the toilets wet or something like that. We've got here compartments for your soaps and things, and yeah, that's a really good toilet, I think, for the size. Looks like, on the door, but hey, you can't have everything. Forward facing bench, and you see this one here, manual. Now, I was at the Fiat press conference here at Caravan Salon, and 70% of all Fiat campervans that are now being built in automatic. 70. So still 30% of us who want manual. I'm now even coming, whereas automatics were once thought to be what older people wanted, I'm now coming to the conclusion that it's older people who want manuals, because they refuse to accept the advance of time and everybody using an automatic. Anyway, I am a big believer in automatics. I'm well aware, in manuals, but I'm well aware that I'm in a minority. I like to feel at least that I'm driving. If I'm in an automatic, I just don't think I am. I mean, if you suddenly need to go fast in an automatic, it's not as easy as it is in a manual if you want to overtake somebody or something like that. Anyway, that's how I feel. Okay, let's come around to the back. Okay, they've put some of this stuff here. You can use that to for carrying these frames. That's so I think they've done. Obviously, that's been done as decoration to make it look as though it's about to go off on holiday somewhere. Okay, if you want a bit of an extension, then you can get a frame. Of course, if the vehicle isn't big enough, you could always get a bigger vehicle, and the cost wouldn't be all that great. I'm not going to open the rear as I usually do, because I don't want to interfere with their decoration, but of course under the bed you'll find the gas cylinder, you'll find place for the gas cylinder, you'll find lots of storage under the bed and the like. So that is this Etrusco tiny camper van, the CV540D something DB. And let's close this, put it back in the same state as I found it in. There you go. It looks, from this angle, that could be somebody's delivery van, couldn't it? From the bread shop or the electrician coming round to visit you. Something like that. I think I'm on the verge of remembering the word I was looking for. So there you go. A Etrusco basic tiny van, and they do have bigger ones, such as this one here. There you go. You can see that in a different video. This one here is a metre longer. Tiny van, nice, basic, does the job. Thanks for watching.